Alright, hi everyone. Welcome to another Python tutorial with Somil Shah. And in this video, we are going to look at the shebang, the filter function, the map function, and the lambda function. Let's get started in action. Let's see all of that in detail. So what was shebang? I already covered that in the last video, so make sure to watch that. So I'm going to call shebang here. So let's define our shebang. So what was the shebang? If you recall, it was slash user slash bin slash env slash python3. All right, so the shebang has been defined. Now we need to define a list for this example. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. All right, so we do have a list. Now the task given to you by someone or in an interview is, hey, I only want the odd elements, but do that in one line. How are you going to do that? You cannot use functions. Okay, so in that case, filter and the lambda function is important if you have to do it in one line. So let us see that in action. So let us try to print all the odd value using the lambda and the filter function. So let's define odd. All right, so I'm going to say odd equals to, I say filter. All right, filter takes two arguments. One is the list that we have to supply, that is L, am I right? And here comes the function. So I'm going to define a lambda, custom lambda function. All right, so I want to get all the odd numbers. So what are the condition for odd, guys? If it is x modulo 2 is equal to 0, then return me the list. That's all. And I'm going to convert this into a list, right? And make sure to close that as well. And if I print, if I print odd. All right, let's try to print it. And sure enough, we got all the even values. And similarly, you can do it for the odd values as well. Now, let's say there are a list of ages, right, in a list. Now you want, let me show you that. So let's assume not numbers. Instead of numbers, you have ages. Oopsie, always I make mistakes. 23, 22, 33, 22, 30, 45, and 26, 23, 20, 20, 20, let's say. Now you are asked to find the people whose age is more than 23 years old. So let's do that with the shebang, with the filter function and the lambda function. So it's pretty simple, guys. What you're gonna do is here, if x, instead of modulo, it will be greater than 23. Oops, what am I doing? Crazy. All right, so let's try to remove that. 23, and supply the list as usual, and print age. So if I run this, here you see it gave me in one line. So that's how that is how useful this filter function and the lambda function is. Or you can also say do this way as well, print, and do it in one line itself, everything. All right, so let's try to print it. Sure enough, worked again fine. Or else you can even do concise this in one more line. So instead of this, I can say this and remove this. Of course, that's gonna work as well. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. You're learning something new. If so, do give me a like. Do let me know, are you enjoying my content? I try my best to get new contents every week, at least twice a day in a week. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you have questions, please let me know by doing that in the comment section below, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.